Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today, what's today? Today's Tuesday the 13th of June. And as always, guys, we will look back at yesterday's trades. We'll take a look at today's potential trades, and we'll look at the important news for today as well. So, yesterday's trades, guys. First of all, we were looking at pound against the US dollar. Let's start with the day chart. So, the idea was this, guys, to buy this pair because it was in a downtrend, yeah, and then structure started to break up, breaking these highs. So we started to get higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So structurally, we are in an uptrend, okay? And then before yesterday's very bearish candle, this was yesterday's candle, but before that, guys, we had these two bullish candles, and the idea was just to take price back up to these daily highs over here. Okay, that was the idea, but as you can see, the market had other ideas and formed a very bearish candle. Okay, so let's see if we had a trade, and the answer is yes. So on the H1, guys, yeah, there was this area through here. Okay, there was an area through here where price reacted. And, you know, we got quite a push away from this zone. We got this candle, you know, that told us buyers had taken control of the market. So we could enter here, yeah, put our stop below here. All right, guys, and that was the idea, and that, you know, to take it back up to that higher time frame target. But as you can see, guys, the price, you know, the market just came crashing down after that. There was nothing but sellers in this market. I still think this is a buy opportunity, pound US dollar, purely because of the structure. So down here or even down here may be interesting today. But yesterday, guys, it was tricky, yeah, because it you know, started to go in one direction, you know, buyers were in control, and then just bang, yeah, totally whipsawed into a different direction, breaking H1 structure, you know, and I'm hedged in this trade, guys, all right? So, yeah, pound US dollar didn't work out yesterday, and the same to be said for US dollar Swiss franc as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, guys, and this was a bit of a H4 play. Let me start with the day chart. And it's a similar scenario, but the reverse of pound US dollar. So we were in an uptrend, didn't make higher highs, and then bang. Yeah, price broke these lows and these lows with this candle here, this large bearish candle. And the idea is just to short this, yeah, you know, because of this retrace up into this grey zone. This looked like an excellent area of value, yeah, and we could take price lower. But as it happens, price shot up. But this could still be a good zone, guys, for shorts, because we're still with day trend, yeah. Until these highs here are broken, yeah, then it's still a downtrend, yeah. We can still look for sells. But the idea was to short this pair, guys. If we look at the H1 now, I'm interested in getting out of this hedge that I'm in. But anyway, let me explain first. Let me start with the H4, actually, guys. Because, you know, I'm going to do my magic trick where I go back in time. Okay, but if you were at this level right now, guys, yeah, you would all be thinking this is a great short opportunity, yeah? On the H4, we're in a downtrend. Price has retraced to an area of value, both, you know, a resistance zone through here and the moving average 20. You know, lots of things to like. And we got this bearish candle. Okay, so yeah, you know, there was lots of things to like. So I started shorting this pair at this level here. And the idea was to take it down to these last lows. If we go to the H1, guys, we didn't get a H1 structure break at this point. Yeah, there was this level through here. Yeah, that, you know, we were still with H1 structure in an uptrend. Okay, so if we were, you know, being extra careful, we could have waited for a breakdown of H1 structure, then entered. But that H4 was enough for me. Yeah, it was such a good entry. Well, so I thought. And then on the H4, if we just play this on now until we're back in real time. Yeah. So, yeah. And here we are right now, guys. All right. So you can see the next candle was just super bullish, took out our hedge or maybe a stop loss in your case. But now it's back up to this interesting level. Okay. So I'll be looking to get out of my hedge up here. Okay, and we might hear an alarm very shortly. So, yeah, if we go to the H1, guys, yeah, we didn't get a H1 structure break, but that H4 was enough for me. And why have I got my alarm here? So this dotted white line here, I have an alarm. Because, you know, if this breaks this level, you know, then perhaps we have a H1 structure break and we can get out of this hedge here and start taking price lower because it's still in a downtrend on the day chart. All right, guys. So that's how I'm trading this one currently. I'm in this trade. And the last trade from yesterday was this. It was New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so again, let's start with the day chart. So on the day chart, guys, you know, until this low here is broken, we're still in an uptrend. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Not higher lows, but didn't break. Higher highs, hasn't broken these lows still. And then arguably, we've now got, you know, higher highs, higher lows. So structurally, I'm seeing an uptrend on New Zealand Japanese yen. If we now drop down to the H4, okay, so yeah, I'm still interested in this zone today, guys. If we get down to here, we might have a good opportunity for buys still. All right, but let's focus on yesterday, guys. So I'm going to start with the H4 because we did get this candle. Yeah, this candle would suggest, you know, again, buyers are in control and we can take price further up. But it's just been the market yesterday. Yeah, we get this big green candle. We're thinking, right, let's buy. This trading's easy. And then bang. Yeah, price has just been coming down. All right. If we look at the H1 as well, you know, we sort of got, yeah, we wasn't too sure what was happening here. But then again, buyers started entering this market only for sellers to take it back down. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens in here, guys. Could be an interesting buy right now. And yeah, maybe you did get in on, you know, New Zealand Japanese yen. This might have been the candle, you know, enter here, put your stop below here. But again, you know, would have been stopped out or hedged by now, guys. So yeah, a tricky day yesterday, but, you know, I'll manage my way out of these hedges. And if you want to know how I do that, come join the VIP Discord. Right, guys, so those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button, guys. In fact, if everyone could just smash that like button right now. Let me hear you click the like button. Thank you. Yeah, help support the channel, guys. So much appreciated. Right. Trades for Tuesday, the 13th of June, guys. Before I show you the trades for today, let me just talk to you about some cool things our channel does. So first of all, if you haven't joined our free Discord, then join it. It's free. You get trade ideas, you get access to useful links, books, indicators, general chit chat about trading, loads of cool things. So come join the free Discord channel. We also have the VIP Discord channel. You have to pay for this one, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me any questions you like. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. I give you lots of exclusive content. and you get access to a performance coach. So yeah, come join the VIP Discord if you're interested. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored or coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email, okay? And we'll send you all the information about the Mentorship Program. Yeah, the email is on our channel somewhere, maybe in the video description. Thirdly, guys, don't forget that we do a YouTube membership now. So if you would like to show your support for the channel, maybe you watch these videos every day, then you can join our YouTube membership. There's some cool little perks to joining, and it's not a great deal of money each month. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream, 8 a.m. every day, Monday to Thursday, New York EST. Get your questions ready. Come join us for that today. Right, enough of all that business. Let's start with the trade ideas. So for me today, guys, it's all about the Swiss franc. Yeah, it's important to point out my trade ideas from yesterday, New Zealand yen, pound US dollar, and US dollar Swiss franc. I will still be looking to, you know, trade them today and get out of the hedge. And there are interesting levels right now. But my trades for today are this. So, like I say, Swiss franc weakness is what I'm seeing, guys. So, first of all, Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so as you can see, guys, price was in a downtrend. Okay, and then bang. Ever since we've broken out of this zone here, okay, and there was also a zone here that put me off yesterday with this candle, but now we have this candle, okay, that's broken out of this, yeah, this range, and we've got some free air to move into back up to the next area of resistance. Okay, so let me zoom in a bit, guys, so you can see that. So yeah, ever since we've broken out of here, we've now got this bullish candle as well. And the idea is just to take price back up to this 6158 level, guys. All right. So yeah, just following daily structure, bullish candle. Let's continue that buying momentum. If we drop down to the H1 now, guys, what am I looking at? So there's a couple of things here. All right. Potentially, yeah, we could have a trade now because this is the last H1 low. Yeah, if you follow H1 structure, you know, this is the last H1 low in here. And it's holding so far. Yeah, so this is holding. So if we get a bullish reaction off of here, guys, I think potentially we could take price, you know, back up to the higher time frame target. Okay, but if these levels don't hold, then I think price could come back down to this level, okay? Because price has reacted in here a few times in the past. And then what I want to see, guys, is a bullish reaction. Once we get a bullish reaction, we can then again start looking for buys out of this area. Okay, so let's see what it does here at these last H1s. If that breaks, I think we could look for trades in here as well. But remember, we do need to see buyers. Yeah, if we're buying a market, wait for buyers to enter the market. Okay, guys. So yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, also New Zealand Swiss franc, guys. Yeah, these are obviously highly correlated, but you know, I'm seeing this Swiss franc weakness. If we go to the day chart now, let's zoom in. So we've just had a change of structure. So we were in a downtrend, okay? Didn't make lower lows, always a red flag, guys. You should all be waving your red flag when you see that. Yeah, and then bang, we get a break of these highs in here with yesterday's candle. Okay, I prefer this to Aussie dollar Swiss franc because it's not as overbought as Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, this is just broken, whereas Aussie dollar Swiss franc has been, you know, many pips has gone past. Yeah, so yeah, I'm looking for potentially a retrace into here, and then we take price higher. Okay, so structurally we're now in an uptrend, and if we zoom in, guys, you can see the last two daily candles. Just lots of buying pressure. So we just want to continue that on. If we go down to the H1 now, similar story. Yeah, we're currently, I mean, have these held? Okay, these haven't quite held, but if we get a bullish reaction still at this level, yeah, maybe we get one now, then I think potentially we could have a trade. Yeah, but we need to see a bullish candle form here. All right. If it doesn't happen, then price could retrace a little bit further into this grey zone where price has reacted historically. Okay, if I zoom out, you can see it's reacted many times in this grey zone. Okay, so yeah, like I say, guys, if we don't get a reaction now at this level, yeah, and a bullish reaction, then wait for price to come back into here, and then we get a bullish reaction. All right, then we can enter this trade. Yeah, I'd probably take some profit off here, just take some profit off the trade, and then leave some profit to run. All right, so New Zealand Swiss franc is also a buy, and another Swiss franc pair. So the next Swiss franc pair is this. We've got Euro Swiss franc. Again, let's start with the day chart. We've literally just had a structure break. So price was clearly in a downtrend. Yeah, coming down here. Yeah, again, it wasn't making lower lows. These lows here, here, and here, they were all holding, guys. Yeah, it didn't want to go lower. So it's always a red flag for a structure break. And then sure enough, once we got this candle here that broke these highs here, yeah, we now have higher highs. Okay, so yeah, literally just had a structure break. And the idea, yeah, once we break these highs, and the idea is to take price potentially from here back up to here. If we drop down to the H1, guys, because this is usually my entry time frame, let me just zoom out so you can see this grey zone. Yeah, price has reacted many times in this grey zone here. Okay, we zoom back in now. Again, we could trade this. There are a couple of opportunities here. So if price retraced only to this last H1 low, because this is the last H1 low, yeah? So if price retraced to here and we got a bullish reaction, we've also got the moving average 20, we got a bullish reaction, we can enter, guys. Yeah, I think that would be good enough, strong enough entry to enter. But if not, it could come back down to this grey zone. And again, we just want to see buyers enter the market. Once we see buyers enter the market, we can start buying this pair as well. Again, I'd probably take some profit here, yeah, and then let the rest run. Right, and the last trade for today. Before I show you the last trade for today, guys, if everyone right now could please smash the like button while I have a drink. Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, so yeah, thank you. Everyone smash the like button. Merci beaucoup. Danke schön. The last trade for today is pound Aussie dollar. This was quite interesting, actually, because we were looking at this yesterday as part of the live stream. Okay, and as I explained in the live stream, guys, I was waiting for this candle. Yeah, I wanted to see a daily candle break out of this support zone. All right, and that's exactly what's happened. Okay, so now technically we have lower lows. All right, so we're in a downtrend. And if I zoom in, guys, we had this, very bearish candle. And everyone was saying, oh, what if what if price just comes down and we don't get, into the trade? So be it, guys. Yeah, but chances are you will get a retrace. And sure enough, if I show you on the lower time frame, we've already had a retrace. Okay, so yeah, we've got the break, we've got the bearish candle, we've also got the retrace, guys. So if we drop down to the let's drop down to the H1. So we potentially have a setup on our hands very shortly. Yeah, so on the H1, guys, I've got this grey zone through here where price is currently reacting, or we have this grey zone through here where price has reacted before. So, guys, like I say, potentially we're getting a trade right now. Yeah, because price has retraced back up into this grey zone. We're still with H1 structure. And if this candle stays like it is now, yeah, I would look for shorts. Yeah, take it back down to these lows, even, you know, back down to those higher time frame targets. Okay. So yeah, that's the first potential setup. If not, price might want to retrace all the way back up to this level, yeah, where price has reacted before. Again, if it does, we just want to see a bearish reaction, and then we can start entering this short. All right, guys, so pound Aussie dollar, potentially a trade very soon. We've got another 45 minutes, actually, before that H1 candle forms. But yeah, could be a great entry here, guys. Let's see how that H1 candle finishes. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today, guys. Yeah, if you've enjoyed it, everyone smash the like button. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 13th of June. So it's all about CPI today, guys. So nothing overnight, as you can see. If we carry on down, the first piece of important news at 7 o'clock London GMT is German CPI. Yeah, I don't need to tell you how important CPI figures are, because they're all direct, you know, they're inflation figures, and everyone is looking at inflation. Yeah. So yeah, German CPI coming out at 7 o'clock London GMT. Must be aware of that if you're in any euro pair. We carry on down, guys. The next piece of important news is this. Yeah, we've got three-star ratings all coming out at 1:30 London GMT. And it's just all CPI data. We've got core CPI, CPI year on year, CPI month on month. So I can't help but think that this is really going to move the US dollar, guys. Yeah, we'll talk about this reaction in my live stream this afternoon at 8 a.m. New York EST time. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, guys. That's going to move the markets. And then as you can see, guys, nothing after that. So yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed this vid, everyone smash the like button right now, and I'll see you later on for our live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Catch you later, guys.